Hello again. In this video we will see what is a histogram, then we will do a histogram for one column of the data frame, then for all the columns of the data frame, and finally just for a subset of columns in that data frame. What we need to know? We need to know that it is similar to a bar plot, but it is not a bar plot. It is used to plot frequency of data occurrences in a continuous data set, and that data set is divided into classes. These classes are known as bins. Okay? Knowing this, let's do the code. As usual, we are importing pandas here, we are loading the CSV file here into a data frame, we are loading the people.csv, this file, where we have a name, a age, and a score. We have just 5 rows, okay? Keep it simple, okay? Let's go back a little after these. We are printing the original data frame, and after this we will do our code. So let's do the histogram just for one column of our data frame, and we start by declaring a hist that is equals to our data frame, and we select the column age and we call over this the function hist. Also we can provide the parameter bins that is equals to 2. After this we can, for example, set the title. It will be my histogram. We also can set the X label and it will be ages, and also we can set the Y label that will be frequency. The last thing that we need to do here is show the histogram, because the code is exactly the same thing for all the histograms. We will do here in the last line. Okay, we need to import matplotlib.pyplot. We call it as p. Then we need to call the function show. Okay, let's run this, and we got this nice histogram. This is a vertical histogram. Okay, now we want to do it in the horizontal way. So to do that, we just need to go up again, and here in our example, let me copy this, and we need to provide a second parameter. The parameter is orientation, that is equals to a string, and the string is horizontal, just this. If we run this again, now we have our horizontal histogram. Okay, let's move on to histogram for all the columns, and let me paste here a previous example, and instead of calling the hist function from this column, we will remove the column selection and we will call the function directly from our data frame. Okay, to be different, the bins parameter will be 10, and let's provide another parameter, grid is equals to false, just to remove the grid from our plots. Okay, because this will generate more than one plot, it will generate 2 plots in this case, because we have 2 columns. We cannot set the labels and we cannot set the title. Okay, so let's run this, and we got this nice plot where we have the histogram for the age here and the histogram for the score here. Let's do the final exercise, histogram for a subset of columns, and let me copy here the previous example, let me paste here, and let's change the bins parameter to be equals to 5, and let's remove the grid parameter, and let's add the parameter column that is equals to a list of strings. In this case they are the names of the columns that we want to make a histogram. Okay, because we just have 2 columns in this data frame, it will not be so obvious. Let me put here the score and run, and now we got this plot with 2 histograms, one for the age and the second for the score. If we remove the score from this list and we run this again, now we have a histogram just for the subset age. Okay, as always, you can download the source code, the link is in the description. Please like this video, subscribe if you are not subscribed, and thank you for watching.